Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Quest 3, a PC, side quest, and VRChat desktop. Once done, enable developer mode on your Quest via the Meta app. This unlocks a DB access. Next, connect the headset to your PC with a USB-C cable and accept the trust prompt on the headset. Then install SideQuest and use it to sideload the face-tracking companion APK to the Quest 3. This first sequence gets the device ready and the companion app installed, so tracking can be enabled. Once the companion app is installed, you open it in the headset and grant camera and microphone permissions. This provides the raw face data. Then start VRChat on your PC, make sure OpenXR is active in your runtime, and connect the Quest using Link or AirLink. Next, in VRChat's avatar settings, you pick the companion app as your face-tracking source and run the calibration sequence. Follow the prompts, keep a neutral expression, slowly move your head and lips for accurate mapping. You finish by testing face tracking across multiple avatars and tuning sensitivity and blend shape offsets until motions look natural. If you see lag or dropped frames, increase link bandwidth, switch to a wired USB-C link, close heavy background apps, or reduce the companion app's camera resolution to improve throughput. Make sure lighting is stable and recalibrate after any headset or software update. If tracking stops, restart the companion app, reconnect Link, and rerun calibration. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.